welcome to another tutorial of VN Video Editor, in which we are going to import custom fonts in our VN Video Editor. So first of all, go to dafonts.com. This website has a lot of fonts. You can download them free of cost. So look at any font that you want to download. It's your choice, and you can download it for free. And so I'm choosing a perfect font that I want, and I'm going for different categories here, and I found that Minecraft font and I will go for that. So just click on download button or tap on download button and the font will be downloaded. So the next thing that we have to do is to go to the file manager, and once we go to file manager, we have to search for .zip so that we can get all the .zip files in our device. So when you get that font file in front of you, open this file and unzip it so that we can import it in our video editor. Once the file has been unzipped, go to VN Video Editor, go to fonts, and then click on the plus icon that is on the top right corner. And once you click on that plus icon, it will show you option of file manager. Click on that, and now click or tap on the font that is in front of you. If you can't find your font, you must find the right directory where you downloaded the font. It's quite simple, you know about your font, where you download stuff. So this is how you import the font. And now I'm gonna create a new project in which I'm gonna use that font so that I can show you. So first of all, I will import a clip, and just gonna split the unwanted part of that clip and deleting the extra clip also. Now I will choose a text as standard, and I will name it as Minecraft because we have a Minecraft font. Now I will choose that Minecraft font and I will increase the size so you guys can see it. So that's it, we have imported the font and now we have also used it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials for VN Video Editor.